Such beautiful surreal view. Oh my god. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is 5th of April and the current time is around 8:50. So you know what the time is about. So I thought I'll quickly grab the camera to record what's going to happen at 9 o'clock for 9 minutes. So yes, I just want to record this moment and show it to you guys what is happening around me. So we are going to witness this thing together. So yeah, now let's go ahead and prepare for our candle thing. Hope you all are doing that too. It is such a crucial moment for India. We all should stand together. This is just for to show our strength, to bring all our strength and positivity together. So yes, let's go ahead and do that. People are playing prayers, Gayatri Mantra and all. It feels so good. I'm here with my candle. Even my mom said to play some prayers, which I'm going to do, but I can't insert the audio because I'll get copyright then. Such beautiful surreal view. Oh my god. People are putting candles, blowing their flashlights. These are the apartment lights which they didn't put it off. Looks so beautiful.